TrafficXPro review, demo, and $2,000 bonus. That's right. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my TrafficXPro review, and I'm going to have a huge bonus I'm going to show you in the end of this video, and it is worth $2,000 and it contains no PLR or MMR courses. Okay, so I'm going to be revealing this bonus in the end, but first of all, let me tell you everything about this new product, this new software. Okay, so what it does is it creates high quality pieces of content for you that generate free viral traffic, and it actually automatically adds your affiliate links to it. Okay, so first of all, it's a massive time saver. Second of all, you will have high quality blog posts made out of just viral content. Okay, so just to be completely honest with you, each time I'm recording these videos for you, when I'm doing a full blog review of a product, I'm losing like 4 or 5 hours of work. Okay, not losing because this is my work, but I have to invest 4 to 5 hours every single time I'm reviewing a product for you guys. Okay, so you have to first of all see what kind of a product you're reviewing, then go through it, see the sales page, see the inside of the members area, all of the upsells, get all the bonuses, all the bonus package, etc. You have to test it, you have to record a video, you have to write up the blog post like 1,000 words, you have to add the images, put it all together, then create backlinks, create social media signals. So again, this is like a 5-hour job, almost a full day, and you get to skip all that. Okay, you get to use this piece of software and just create these kind of blog posts automatically. Okay, so it just pulls top quality content from the web, it mixes it up, and it just does it all for you, and it also takes affiliate links and adds it automatically. All you have to do is just hood it up once, and it will do all of it for you in minutes. Okay, so let me share my screen with you and let's just jump into it. Okay, so as you can see, the sales page says, attention all marketers, your new automated income site is here. Hot new cloud-based app creates unique, fresh content in just 2 minutes, plus unlimited free traffic on complete autopilot, and generates passive income for you daily. So again, you can create these pages. You can create page after page after page, 2 minutes each. I'm going to show you an example page in a second. So, scrolling down, as you can see, they have my testimonial here. They get some testimonials from some top marketers as well. Jason and Mosh, these are the two guys behind this product. So, you probably already know them. TrafficXPro, again, this is the name of this product. And this is my TrafficXPro review. Scrolling down, some more testimonials, a little bit of explanation of what it does. So essentially, you enter a keyword, then you select the most viral looking content, and then you push one button and it is published with your affiliate links added to it. So it's a massive time saver. You can save hours and hours and hours of work every single day. Okay, they're gonna have a little demo right here. I'm gonna have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, and right now I'm going to show you the short version of the demo and some examples. Okay, so scrolling down, again, TrafficXPro is for you. They got some bonuses. You're gonna get my huge bonus package worth over $2,000 with it, and they will have a couple of options. So one site license, $21, and the pro license with unlimited usage for $22. So just $1 more. 30 days money back guarantee as always. This is what you can expect, and the inside of the members area looks like this. So you have the dashboard, you have your campaigns, you have the blog set up. So obviously, first of all, you're gonna have to add your blog, you have your profile, you have your settings. So these are the campaigns that are already running. And most importantly, I wanted to show you an example of a site. So this whole site was created with nothing else but TrafficXPro software. So as you can see, very slick looking, very clean. All of these posts were added automatically with no work whatsoever. So you can see they have videos, they have images, they have text, and all of this is created automatically. So this is just one example of this post. You have an image right here, you have a video, you have another image, you have some text, and just keep in mind just this text is, it will save you like 15 to 20 minutes of work just typing this out, and obviously creating a video, getting all the design, getting all the images, putting it all together. It's a few hours worth of work that is saved. So a massive time saver. And keep in mind, these are created from viral pieces of content, the content that is already viral. So the possibility of your post that is just remixed going viral is huge. And obviously, if you go viral, you get all the free traffic. So obviously, if you want to pay for traffic, if you have thousands of dollars to spend on traffic, that will be probably even quicker. But we can create these little traffic magnets literally in minutes. Okay, so very, very cool when it comes to free traffic. Okay, so guys, this is exactly how it looks like, and you can create these posts in a couple of minutes. And let's go through the upsells right now. So as I already showed you, TrafficXPro will be $21 or $22, but this will be the early bird price. So right now, the audio one, let me show you that it will be $67, and this is unlimited profits edition. So it will save you time, money, and make it easier to build a fully automated, self-updating traffic site. Each one can make you up to $500 per month. So this is the unlimited profits edition. Then we have audio number 2, which is TrafficXPro 100x advanced edition. So this will generate you some quick and easy cash, and essentially it will allow you to scale what you're doing even higher and boost your profits by even 50x or 100x. Okay, so that's advanced edition, $97. Audio number 3, TrafficXPro done for you money sites. So obviously you can create these money sites. You can add content automatically, but you're gonna have to actually create these sites. But with the TrafficXPro audio number 3 for $297, you are getting these done for you sites. These are ready for you. So 20 hot money sites that are proven to generate commissions and make you money. Okay, done for you sites. Audio number 4, TrafficXPro Super Traffic Machine, $77. So this is if you need additional traffic. Obviously you can send this traffic anywhere. You can send it to your sites, you can send it to affiliate offers, you can send it wherever you want. And we also have TrafficXPro license rights for $197. This is obviously something that will allow you to sell this product and all of the upsells as your own and keep 100% of the profits. So me as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. You with the license rights, you'll be making 100% commissions. So it's like owning your own product that converts really, really well. And obviously you can see that some of these upsells are up to $300. So with just one sale, you can make your money back and then some. Okay, so these are the OTOs, and let me show you all of the bonuses that you're gonna get for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking it up. First of all, you're gonna get Riser. This is my course about freelancing. So you can actually use this piece of software to do this for other people and charge them money. So if you don't want to have your own site, you can just charge other people, and you can charge whatever you want. So $50, $100, whatever you want to charge, you can. And Riser, this is my WSO of the Day awarded course that will teach you exactly how to do it on Fiverr and on other freelancing websites. Okay, so that's only the first WSO of the Day awarded course. That is my bonus. You're also getting 3-step profit machines, you're also getting quantum profits, you're also getting piggyback cash system, fusion, newbie traffic formula, then 12 money making plugins. So this is a mix of plugins and software that will just make your life easier. Then another 9 software and plugins, including Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Biz plugin, sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, very, very useful, True Text, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar plugin, and shortcode call to action. And where I'm really going to kick it up a notch is my mega bonus. Okay, so this is something that I'm offering for the first time ever, and it's worth $1,500. So altogether, this bonus is worth well over $2,000. And I'm going to show you exactly what this is. So this is my mega bonus, a total of 45 different courses and softwares Every single one was awarded WSO of the Day award or Product of the Day on JVZoo. So you're getting all 45 plus all these ones that I just mentioned right here. So a total of I don't even know, like 70 plus bonuses worth well over $2,000. You're getting all of this for free, just as a thank you for picking up TrafficXPro through my link. And going back to the sales page here, TrafficXPro will be going live on Sunday at 9 a.m. And this will be the 7th of July. So make sure to show up early at 9 a.m. Eastern to grab it with an early bird discount for either $21 or $22. You can make a ton of money with this. As I just showed you, even just offering a simple service to people on Fiverr or on Freelancer or on Upwork. Or you can just create these sites for yourself, get all the viral free traffic. Your affiliate links are automatically added, so you don't even have to think about it, and just make yourself create a passive income stream that just works for you over and over and over again. And you can add these blog posts every 2 minutes. Okay, so guys, make sure to pick it up through my link if you want to get my mega bonus worth $2,000. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment on my blog or on my YouTube channel below this video. Also, like this video on YouTube. And if you are enjoying these review videos, keep on coming back to this channel. Check out all the rest of the reviews here. And I will be seeing you very, very shortly. Ciao.